Hello friends, welcome to my channel Way Project, my personal account, and this channel provide entertainment and information automotive. Thank you for visit. Don't forget subscribe, like and share. Our Hornet family is complete, and the boss of the hive is here packing a sting in its tail. The new CB1000 Hornet loads a 4-cylinder engine built to shred tarmac with naked class-leading punch. Throttle by Wire delivers precise control, while the chassis arms with adjustable Showa 41mm SFF-BP USD forks and Pro-Link rear shock. Pure, bare-knuckle street fighting aggression is led by sharp, twin-LED projectors, a full-color 5-inch TFT screen and Honda RoadSync connectivity brings the smart, ready for full attack, stunning inline 4-cylinder engine. This is power, and built to drive hard through the gears, taking you from carving city blocks to clipping backroad apexes in a twist of throttle. Piercing LED lighting, dual LED projector headlights emits a penetrating hard-edged stare and lead the uncompromising front-end styling. All other lighting is sharp-edged LED,